I had a gun to my head and I had to buy in Brisbane for $350 to $500, where would I buy? Let's go into Picky, into the research hub. We'll go into Queensland. We'll go into the Brisbane area. We'll go into Ipswich, which was number 1 on that list. If you classify this as Brisbane, you know, it's an outer suburb, 25, half an hour, 40 minutes, different train stations from the Brisbane CBD. Goodna is one location, 430,000, 25 k's to the CBD, the same distance as parts of Moreton Bay, 430,000, yields of 410,000. So first thing I've done here, come into Picky, City of Ipswich is ticking the boxes, stick to a house, and then work our way down the list here from best to worst, the suburbs that meet our budget, and find the highest yield possible. Probably jumping out to us are Thurgoona, Woollen, Woodend, Newtown, Goodna. Check new home construction. That's where I'd focus my attention.